Erica saw an eastbound train to Brussels passing. It took 8 seconds to pass her. So if I put her there, and then the train here, the clock would start just as it as the front of the train gets to her, and then it would continue until the very back has passed her. So what we can say is that the length of the train, if I call it b, then we can use speed equals distance over time. It must be that the speed of train b is equal to the distance b divided by 8, or b is equal to 8 times the speed of the train. The westbound train to Lille took 12 seconds to pass her, so we can do exactly the same thing now. The velocity of the Lille train is going to be the length of the Lille train divided by 12. And then they took 9 seconds to pass each other. Okay, this is a little bit more complicated now. So I've got this train and this train going in opposite directions. So the clock starts here. So for them to pass each other, they would have had to have done a combined distance of the Brussels train and the Lille train. But they're moving in opposite directions, so we can say their relative velocity is just those two velocities added together. If you go 2 meters per second this way and 3 meters per second that way, basically your combination is 5 meters per second. Like that's the change in meters per second. So we can write down that VB plus VL, this relative velocity, is going to equal B plus L divided by 9. Now we've got 3 equations and 4 unknowns. We can't solve for these, but we can get a relationship between B and L, the distance, the length of the trains, which is exactly what the answer is talking about. So I'm going to multiply through by 9. 9VB plus 9VL is equal to B plus L. And then I'm going to sub in, because I want B and L, I'm going to sub in for VB and for VL. Okay, so although I wrote that one down, I'm not going to be using it. I'm going to sub this in. So 9B over 8 plus 9VL, so that's 9L over 12, is equal to B plus L. What I decided to do was just subtract B from both sides, because actually that will give me 1/8 B. Subtract 9/12 L from both sides, that will leave me 3/12 or a quarter L. Times through by 8, B is equal to 2L. So the length of the Brussels train is twice that of the Lille train, which means our answer is going to be A. Nice question.